What's up, world? Recently, I did an installation for a Tornado T-3000 at an office nearby, and I figured it was a good opportunity to show you the unboxing and the step-by-step installation process for one of these tables. I'll show you the tools that you need, and I'll show you where and when you need help. So grab a buddy and let's get this thing set up. This model of Tornado is a split cabinet, and it arrives in two separate boxes. We're gonna start with the bottom half. So we'll cut off the ties, remove the cardboard edging, and get rid of the plastic wrap. The staff at Tornado raise the feet all the way so the legs are snugly fit inside the table for transportation. Lower these feet all the way down. This will help us later when we need to level the table. Before we attach the legs, we'll want to remove everything from inside the table. Don't forget the keys that are taped to the ball return track. You will see 2 ball return ramps and a bag of parts. With the cabinet empty, let's flip it upright for easy access to the pre-drilled holes that are meant for the legs. We will attach the first 2 legs from underneath. From the inside of the table, we will add the flat washer, then the split lock washer, and then the nut. Don't crank them down all of the way yet. Here's where we'll get help from a friend. Lower the table down, lift the other side of the table, and attach the remaining 2 legs. Now that the table is standing on all 4 legs, we can tighten down the nuts with a 14mm or a 9/16 socket. A socket extension will be your best friend here. Use the keys that you grabbed earlier to unlock the cabinet, add in the ball return ramps, and we're ready to go. The top half arrives pre-assembled in a protective wooden frame. Flip the box on its designated top side, cut off the straps, and remove the plastic wrap. Grab a friend to help you remove the top half from the wooden frame. When you're moving the top half of the cabinet, make sure to keep it vertical to protect the metal goals that stick out further than the wooden exterior. Identify the male and female ends on both sides of the cabinet. Align the ends and slide them together. Now that the 2 cabinets are attached, the final step is to attach the score markers. And that's it. Your Tornado T-3000 is fully installed. Now we just need to level the table, lube the rods, and lock the cabinets together. Congratulations on your new table. If you're looking for some extra protection for your nets to prevent chipping, check out my video on the Tornado goal guards. And for cleaning tips, check out my video on how I clean my personal T-3000. If you take care of these tables, they can last you a lifetime.